If you're a tech enthusiast, someone who gets excited about the latest gadgets and innovations, or even a professional deeply involved in the world of technology, then this is for you. Then you absolutely need to hear how AI is revolutionizing supply chains. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how goods and services are moved around the world, impacting everything from the speed of delivery to the cost of production. It's not just the future, it's happening now. Companies are already implementing AI solutions to streamline their operations and gain a competitive edge. This isn't a theoretical concept, it's a practical reality. AI in supply chains isn't just a buzzword. It's not just something that's being talked about in boardrooms and conferences. It's a game changer. A fundamental shift that's reshaping industries and creating new opportunities. Imagine predicting demand with pinpoint accuracy. Think about knowing exactly what your customers will want before they even know it themselves. Detecting anomalies before they become problems. Identifying potential disruptions in your supply chain before they even have a chance to impact your operations. And optimizing routes in real time. Adapting to changing conditions and ensuring that your products reach their destination in the most efficient way possible. That's the power of AI. It's about leveraging data and algorithms to make smarter decisions and improve efficiency across the board. Machine learning algorithms are like having a superpower. They can process vast amounts of information and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. They spot patterns in massive datasets that humans simply can't. This allows for insights that were previously unattainable, leading to significant improvements in decision-making. This means better inventory planning, reducing waste, minimizing storage costs, and ensuring that you always have the right products in stock. Smarter supplier selection, identifying the most reliable and cost-effective suppliers, and building stronger relationships with them. And predictive maintenance, preventing equipment failures before they happen, minimizing downtime, and extending the lifespan of your assets. That keeps everything running smoothly, ensuring that your supply chain operates like a well-oiled machine with minimal disruptions and maximum efficiency. But here's the best part. AI doesn't replace people. It's not about automating jobs out of existence. It empowers them. It gives them the tools and insights they need to be more effective and productive. With AI, supply chain managers can make smarter, faster decisions. They can analyze complex data in real time and respond quickly to changing market conditions. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps, a tireless worker who's always there to provide support and guidance, and always has your back, providing you with the information you need to make the right decisions, even under pressure. So whether you're dealing with inventory, trying to optimize your stock levels and reduce waste, suppliers, managing your relationships with vendors and ensuring a reliable supply of materials, or logistics, coordinating the movement of goods and ensuring timely delivery, AI is your new best friend. It's the tool that will help you overcome your biggest challenges and achieve your goals. It's turning complex challenges into simple solutions, taking the headache out of supply chain management and making it easier to achieve success. And guess what? This isn't some far-off dream. This isn't something that's going to happen in the distant future. It's already here. Companies are already using AI to transform their supply chains and achieve remarkable results. Transforming supply chains around the world. From small businesses to multinational corporations, AI is making a difference in every industry. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? Are you ready to embrace the future of supply chain management and unlock your full potential? Thanks for watching. We hope you found this informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this. And hit that bell icon for more tech insights, so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in the future. We're excited to continue exploring the world of technology and sharing our insights with you.